Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable SMS authentication in Binance. All right, it is actually pretty easy. So first up, you need to open up the app. And once you're in here on your dashboard, just go ahead and go to the top left, tap on the three horizontal lines, tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on your profile. Okay, tap on your profile, and in here, what you'll do is just go ahead over to security. Okay, tap on security, wait for it to load, and once it loads, if you want to, you could go ahead and set all 2FA options right here. If you just want to enable SMS authentication, well, the only thing that you need to make sure is that you have a phone number tied to your Binance account. Okay, so to open up the phone number section, just tap on this drop down. Now go ahead and tap on phone number. And in this section, if this is your first time, you will be able to see a slider that says SMS Authenticator. So just tap on that slider and then it will ask you to enter your phone number. Okay, so go ahead and enter your phone number and it will test to verify. So open up the SMS section of your phone. You'll have the verification code right there. Put that in here if asked. And once done, you should be good to go. That is it. That's how simple it is to enable SMS authentication in Binance. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.